Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Wix Warriors! Today, we are enhancing your website functionality by embedding a Mailchimp sign-up form in your Wix site in 2024. Whether you are a business owner, blogger, or artist, join me for a step-by-step guide on integrating Mailchimp seamlessly with Wix. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that I will need you to own is a Mailchimp account. As you can see, here it is mine. The second thing is of course a Wix website. To create one, it's pretty easy. Head up to wix.com and create an account, then click right here to create a new site, fill up the options, and your site should be ready within a few seconds. After you finish with these two steps, you have two options. The first one is to connect your Mailchimp account through Mailchimp app itself. So simply head up to your dashboard, click on integrations, then discover, and simply search for Wix. So here we go. We can here go throughout the pages. If you didn't find it in the first page, you can search for it right here. So let's search for Wix, and here it is. Now, what left to do is to simply connect them. Click right here to connect, and simply now, what you will need to do is to simply click to continue, log into your Wix account, which is like that. Choose one of your websites that you own. It could be any website that you want to add the form into it. For example, for me, I'm going to add it to this site. Right here, click right here, and I have it created. Now I should simply give it some permissions as managing the stores, manage members, manage coupons, manage contact labels, read basic sites and business informations, and read the contacts. Click here to agree and add, and you will be ready to go. As you can see, we just have to wait until it loads, and here we have it. We just have to do it once more because I don't know, this is so glitchy in their system, but yeah, this will be fast now. And here we go. Let's just synchronize everything now, and the synchronization should be ready in a few seconds. There we go, and now we have our site connected with our Mailchimp account. Now what left to do is of course to create a sign-up form. To do so, we are going to also stay on our dashboard on Mailchimp and click on create. After we did that, simply head up to this left side menu, go ahead to sign up form and choose embedded form. As we did that, click on begin, and here it is, a simple form that they given to us. Let me just show you how it will look like at the beginning. So something like that. It will start with only an email address. It is up to you to add any other detail that you might need. For example, you might need also the first name of the user and the phone number and maybe the address to send it. For example, a product or something like gifts for loyalty. And maybe if you want to remember your clients' birthdays, you can also ask them to add their birthdays right here, so you can send them special coupons on their birthdays. After you're finished with that, you can even go more further. You can adjust the order on how they are just by grabbing one and dragging it over the other. So just go right here, just click over this point, and you would be able to move them around. At the same time, you can choose which ones are required. For example, here, address line 2, it is not required since it doesn't have this red star. But address number 1 is required. How am I going to remove, for example, the importance or the requirements of address number 1? Simply go here to the address, click on it, and then set as required, and check this box. And as you can see, it is no longer required. Now what you have to do is to simply click here, and after you finished adding everything right here, what you have to do is to simply click on continue, and of course if you want to change the name, you can literally change everything through the settings. So you can here go to the settings, let's name it here Wix sign up form. Here we can adjust the width of the form. We can make it, for example, larger or smaller. It is completely up to your website and where are you looking to put it. For us, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Click right here to continue, and as you can see, we have received this embedded form code. Make sure to copy it and then head up to your site. Let's go and choose my site, and make sure to choose the website that you have chosen at the beginning that you want to edit. Click here to design the website, and you will be taken to the page builder of your site. Now we just wait for it to be loaded, and once it has been opened for us and everything is ready, what you need to do is to simply go to the page builder. So for me, they are still preparing the page and loading my pages, so I have to just wait a couple seconds until this is done. As you can see, it is done. Now let's say that we want to add our sign up form right here, so I'm going to add a section form, and the next thing is to add a code. So here we have all of these. What I'm going to do is to add, so click here to add, and you will find all of these different things. So you'll have, for example, stripe, button, image, gallery, designs, event, store, CMS, social, and here of course the most important thing, which is the embed code right here. Click on it, choose embed HTML, add to site, and simply here you have to paste that code that you have received from Mailchimp. So Ctrl V and click on update, and it should be added right here. Make it bigger, let's just make it fit all the page, so here it is, and there we go. So now we have this sign up form that we have created using Mailchimp. Now you can either choose a place to add it, something like that, make for example the section bigger for it to contain everything for the form, or you can create a brand new section and add it into it. The next thing to do is of course to save your website, and then you have to publish it by adding a domain name into it, which is as simple as that. So yeah guys, that was completely it for today's video. You simply have to create a Mailchimp account, Wix website, integrate them together, go to your Mailchimp account, create the form, copy the code, and paste it on your page builder. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.